Okay, stop scrolling. I need you to just stop for a second, because I've spent the last 3 weeks testing gadgets that most car owners don't even know exist. And some of these, they genuinely broke my brain. We're not talking about those gimmicky air fresheners or phone holders from the gas station. No, I'm talking about gadgets that solve problems you didn't even realize were destroying your road experience every single day. 15 of them, right now. Let's burn through them. Number 1. You know what nobody talks about when they get a dog? The car. Specifically, the absolute disaster that happens to your back seat every single time your dog jumps in. Mud, fur, scratches, gone. The JYE Dog Seat cover for back seat flips your back seat into a full waterproof hammock-style fortress. It anchors to the headrests, covers the doors, and the non-slip backing means your dog stops sliding around every time you hit a curve. Fits basically every car. And cleanup? One wipe. That's it. Dog owners, this one's non-optional. Number 2, flat tire, 11 p.m., middle of nowhere. That sentence just made half of you nervous, and it should, because most people's backup plan is calling someone and waiting. The Olarhite cordless tire inflator is small enough to live in your glove box and powerful enough to fill a completely flat tire in under 4 minutes. Cordless, digital pressure readout, auto shutoff so you don't overinflate. It even does bike tires, basketballs, air mattresses, whatever. Honestly, it's embarrassing that more people don't carry one of these. This is a non-negotiable. Number 3, backing up without a rear camera in 2025 is like using a paper map. You're just guessing and hoping. The Autovox solar wireless backup camera runs entirely on solar. Zero wiring, zero drilling, zero installation nightmare. It sticks to your license plate and the solar panel charges it during the day. The display is crystal clear, even at night. If you drive anything without a built-in backup cam, a truck, an older SUV, a van, this is the upgrade you've been putting off. Stop putting it off.
Number 4. Okay, this one genuinely feels like it came from the future. The heads-up display for cars projects your speed, navigation, RPM, and driving alerts directly onto your windshield, so your eyes never have to drop to the dashboard. You know that moment where you glance down to check your speed and suddenly realize you've been looking away from the road for 2 full seconds? This eliminates that. It plugs into your OBD2 port, works in daylight, and looks like something out of a cockpit. It's not just cool, it's legitimately safer. Number 5. This one sounds so simple you're going to roll your eyes, and then you're going to wish you had it sooner. The car door cup holder. It clips right onto your door panel and gives you an extra drink holder right where your arm naturally rests. No more balancing a coffee between your legs or stuffing a water bottle in the side pocket at a weird angle. It holds bottles, cups, even sunglasses. Clip on, done. Sometimes the most annoying problems have the most embarrassingly simple solutions. Number 6. Your car seats are being destroyed right now, slowly, every single day. Sun fading, spills soaking in, wear tearing up the fabric. And if you ever try to resell that car, you're going to feel it. Cavarado seat covers are custom-fit premium leather alternatives that look better than most factory interiors. They install in about 30 minutes, they're waterproof, they have airbag compatibility built in, and they come in enough color options that you can actually match your vibe. This is one of those upgrades where the moment it's done, you can't believe you waited this long.
Number 7. Road trip people, this one's for you. Actually, it's for anyone who's ever played Tetris with luggage trying to fit everything in the trunk. The Rooftop cargo carrier is a soft-sided aerodynamic bag that mounts to your roof rack and adds serious storage without killing your fuel economy. Waterproof material, reinforced handles, universal straps, camping gear, ski equipment, that massive suitcase your partner swears they need, all of it, up top, out of your way. Problem solved. Number 8. Your car has been trying to tell you things and you haven't been listening. The wireless OBD2 car diagnostic tool plugs into that port under your dashboard. Every car has one and connects to your phone via Bluetooth. It reads every single error code your car throws, tells you exactly what's wrong in plain English, tracks fuel efficiency, monitors engine performance in real time, and can clear that check engine light after you fix the issue. Mechanics charge you just to do this scan. Do it yourself forever. Number 9. Flat tires are one thing, but what if your car is stuck? Like actually stuck, lifted, tilted, nowhere near a service station stuck. The Unitech DBT2 Rackjack 2-ton pneumatic jack is a pneumatic jack that hooks to your exhaust pipe and inflates using your own engine's exhaust pressure. No electricity, no manual pumping. It lifts a 2-ton vehicle in under 2 minutes using nothing but airflow. This thing has been used in off-road and emergency recovery situations worldwide. It folds flat, weighs almost nothing, and fits under your seat. You hope you never need it. You'll be extremely glad you have it.
Number 10. Okay, stop what you're doing and actually pay attention for this one. The fully automatic car tent umbrella is one of those things where you see it once and you literally cannot believe it exists. It's a tent that deploys from your car roof in seconds. Fully automated, remote controlled, covers your entire vehicle. Sun, rain, hail, your car is protected. And for people who camp out of their cars or tailgate or live somewhere with brutal weather, this is absolutely wild in the best way possible. One button, full coverage. Number 11. You've been driving around with a regular rear view mirror. It's fine, it works, but there's a version of your life where that mirror is a 10-inch full HD touchscreen showing you live footage from a camera behind your car, recording everything in 4K with night vision, lane departure warnings, and built-in GPS. That's the Wolfbox G930 10-inch rear-view mirror dash cam. It replaces your existing mirror, just clips over it, and transforms into a complete smart driving system. Front and rear recording simultaneously, parking mode, loop recording. It is genuinely one of the most complete upgrades you can make to any vehicle right now. This one could save your life. And I don't say that dramatically, I mean it literally. The Thate TM8 tire pressure monitoring system mounts sensors on all 4 of your tires and sends real-time pressure and temperature data to a small display on your dashboard. Most tire blowouts happen because a tire was slowly losing pressure and nobody noticed until it was too late. This system alerts you the second any tire drops below safe pressure, day or night, highway or city. 4 sensors, solar display, universal fit. For the price, this is one of the highest value safety upgrades on this entire list.
Number 13. Your car's interior smells fine until it doesn't, and once it doesn't, it really doesn't. A quality smart car air purifier with a built-in ionizer and HEPA filter doesn't just mask odors, it pulls allergens, dust, and bacteria from the air while you drive. If you've got allergies, kids, or pets, this is the one. Plug it in, forget it's there, breathe cleaner air. Number 14. Dashboards don't have enough USB ports. You know it, I know it. Car manufacturers apparently don't know it. A multi-port USB car charger with dual fast charge ports and a USB-C PD port solves this permanently. Everyone in the car stays charged. No negotiations, no "can I use your cable?" Done. All right, 15 gadgets, 15 problems solved. Now here's what I want from you. Drop a comment right now. Which one of these is going straight to your cart first? Because I'm genuinely curious whether it's the mirror dash cam, the pneumatic jack, or that absolutely unhinged automatic tent. If this video just made you want to upgrade your car, smash that like button. It actually tells YouTube to show this to more car people who need to see it. Subscribe to Gadget Burst because we do this every single week. The gadgets nobody's talking about, tested and ranked so you don't have to guess. See you in the next one. Don't drive boring.